storms that we saw this morning. Extreme northeastern Cass County, which you're quite familiar with, Tori.
I am, yeah. Actually, my niece's grandmother said she felt her house shake.
Well, I mean, that does not surprise me. So they had a radar-confirmed tornado. The National Weather Service is actually on the way right now to assess that damage, just to see if it was straight-line wind or tornado damage. But definitely a lot of damage reported near Domino, there in northeastern Cass County. So we'll continue to give you updates on what happened with that round of severe thunderstorms. And it was really just one powerful storm that moved through the area. However, we do have more on the way. To our west in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we've seen a couple of storms form. We'll get to that here in just a second, but look at this. We just have an onslaught of severe thunderstorms for portions of Mississippi and Alabama. Tons of yellow polygons showing up, some of them flashing, indicating destructive storm damage ongoing. So we will need to keep an eye on this, but we need to keep an eye on our own severe weather, which is starting to materialize out to the west. So here's what we're seeing right now. I'm primarily concerned about this one storm that's moving into Van Zant County as we speak. So let me zoom in. And again, this is right over Wills Point, at least the most powerful part of this storm. And just over the last few frames, I'm noticing that the hail intensity and the hail size is picking up a little bit over the last couple of frames, and because of that, this could be a destructive storm as it moves off to the east. So if you live in Grand Saline or Silver Lake, you do have a couple of minutes. I would go ahead and get those cars in the carport or the garages if you do have time and you're able to do so safely. But here are the arrival times for this storm. Wills Point, it's right on top of you. Edgewood 5:30, Small 5:35, Canton, Texas at about 5:38. Of course, the hail core is likely to miss Canton just off to the north there. Fruitvale is at 5:40, Lawrence Springs at 5:42, 5:43 for Wentworth. And we're under the gun for these severe thunderstorms until at least 10 o'clock tonight. This is the latest severe thunderstorm watch to be posted. Our central and northern counties dealing with those severe thunderstorms. So here's a look at Futurecast this evening. And this model, it changes hour to hour, but I do expect we will see storms in the area through 6 o'clock, showing storms at 7 o'clock, especially right along Interstate 20 there. So don't let your guard down if you're not seeing storms yet, because we do have more storms on the way. 9 o'clock, still seeing those storms. They really blossom at 9, 10, 11 o'clock. Those move off to the east, and then we do see a lull for tomorrow morning. That being said, we are still under a slight risk of severe weather, including our western and central counties. But look at this, the orange showing back up. That's a level 3 enhanced threat for some hail, damaging wind gusts, and a low tornado threat. But our primary threats will be for strong winds and some large hail. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about tomorrow's severe weather threat, because we're not out of the woods yet, folks. It's still warm, it's still humid, and that boundary, it's not really going anywhere. Futurecast at 5 o'clock, tracking some storms out to our west. They blossom, they move eastward. This is 8 o'clock, and then they move out of our area before another round of storms moves in early Friday morning, and then we should remain dry by the middle part of Friday morning. Marginal risk of severe weather for our central and southern counties. We up that to a level 2 slight risk for tomorrow evening and early Friday morning. And once again, the wind gust and the hail threat, those are going to be the primary threats of severe weather. So here are the next 7 days: 96 Thursday, 97 Friday, a few passing clouds Saturday and Sunday, and then it gets hot next week. Look at that, triple-digit heat in the forecast Tuesday and Wednesday. Tori.
Thank you, Carter.